Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in my two previous classes on jurisprudence, we have already discussed the meaning, definition, scope, purpose, objective and significance of jurisprudence. In my today's class, I am going to discuss jurisprudence and its relation with other subjects. When I say other subjects, I am covering 6 subjects. They are sociology, psychology, ethics, economics, history and politics. After working so many years in HR, I know it is not good to have too many concepts in a PPT slide. But to help my students, I have sufficient notes in each slide. Please take screenshot for the purpose of notes. With that, let's get into jurisprudence and sociology. Man is a social animal and he lives in society, and study of society is sociology. Jurisprudence is part of law and laws are implemented in society. So there is a straight connection between jurisprudence and sociology. Now this branch is also called as sociological jurisprudence. Why we need to study sociology while studying jurisprudence, or why we should have the knowledge of sociology? Because sociology gives the thought of welfare state. When we are thinking of welfare state, there should be all progressive legislations, there should be defined punishments, there should be correction systems, there should be prison reforms. All these concepts are coming from sociology, and to understand jurisprudence and the law clearly, we need to have the basic concept of sociology very clearly. And I have brought 3 important obvious reasons for the connection between sociology and jurisprudence by GW pattern, which is available in the screen. Please take the screenshot for the same. To consider an act into crime, there needs to be 2 important aspects. One, mens rea, other one, actus rea. Now, what is mens rea? Mens rea is all about intention. What is intention? Which is all connected to human mind. To know the human mind, we need to study psychology. Now, there is a branch which studies criminal mind, which is also known as criminological jurisprudence. Now, they study what is the motive behind crime, what is the criminal personality and reasons for crime, etc. Now, reasons cannot be same for each cases. Few crime must have happened due to accident, few in anger, few to get pleasure, few to create fear. All those type of crimes are available. Now, how to understand the personality behind those crimes? That is what the relationship between the psychology and the jurisprudence. Now, there is something called penology also, which is progressed over a period of time because of this connection. Science of human conduct is ethics. Now, what is ethics focusing about? It is focusing on good human behavior. And what is the purpose of jurisprudence? The final purpose of jurisprudence is also good human behavior. Now, ethics are coming with public opinion. For example, among Muslims, 4 marriages are okay. But among Hindus, only 1 marriage is legalized. Why? Because that is the public opinion and people have followed it for years together. Now, if any law comes against it, like second marriage is also valid, that is against public opinion or moral of the public. In that case, no law is good unless it respects the moral or ethics of the people. That is the connection between ethics and jurisprudence. One interesting aspect is these subjects are interconnected. Now, sociology discusses about social welfare states, and then jurisprudence discusses about a society without any crimes, a peaceful society, and then we have economics, which discusses about equal distribution of wealth, production and distribution. Now, when that is not happening, there is a chance for crime. For example, if someone is very poor, he gets into maybe kidnapping or theft or something which creates crime, and finally social welfare is not achieved because the society is disturbed. That's how economics and sociology are connected, and that's how economics and jurisprudence are connected. So it's an interlink between the subjects. To have a beautiful future, we need to know the past also, and studying of past is history. Now, this branch is also called as historical jurisprudence, which basically connected because of understanding the customs, background for each legislation, case laws, the precedents by different judges, argument by the different laws. All these are studied under this type of jurisprudence school. So that is how there is a connection between history and jurisprudence. There is a direct connection between jurisprudence and politics, because politicians are the one who become legislatures and legislators are the one who make laws. Now, while making laws, they are thinking of their party's interest, they are thinking of society's interest. There will be something which is okay for the society, or there might be objection from the society. So there will be action and reaction. There can be participation from the people. All these can be understood by studying jurisprudence and politics. With that, I am concluding this session. My next class will be on schools of jurisprudence. It is a very important aspect when it comes to jurisprudence. Thank you so much for subscribing me. Please like, share and comment my videos. Please press the bell icon for future videos. All the very best for your exams and thank you so much.